Pusoverse, are you all ready for Puso Wrestling's last show of 2025? In just a few weeks, we are coming back to Brawl Pit Bulusan for Puso Wrestling Alamat. We got another stacked card to end the year and it consists of 8 matches. So without further ado guys, let's run it down. We got the Relic Rumble match presented by the Wrestling Podcast featuring ang Bahay ng Liwanag, Ken Cypher, Gabriel Arcangel, and many more. Best friends that turn into bitter rivals, and it all ends here between Hakay Mateo and Alien Friend. Two familiar names from World Underground Wrestling Philippines will clash, and it is between the fastest Pinoy wrestler Robin Sane and accompanied by Mr. C, the most influential influencer, Ravenna. A tag team showdown is set to happen on Alamat, and it is between Isaiah Valencia and Nigel San Jose, known as Barangay Baksakan, squaring off against Joey Rosas and Crystal. An international showdown is set to happen as well, and it is the returning Ho Ho Loon representing Hong Kong at haharapin niya ang yanig ng tagig na si Jomar. The ace of Philippine Wrestling Fabio Makisig is set to face ang hudas ng Etivac na si Danny Zamora. Whoever loses this match will leave Puso Wrestling. The biggest rivalry in the history of Pinay Wrestling will end here at Alamat, and it is in a no-holds-barred match featuring the Firestarter Joya and the Pinay Vixen Chelsea Marie. And finally, for the main event, it is the Setup Thailand 24/7 champion Jake De Leon and the Pusong Pinoy Wrestling champion Main Max, and the winner takes all the gold. Witness the last show of Puso Wrestling in 2025, and that is Puso Wrestling Alamat, and that is happening at Brawl Pit Bulusan on November 30. Tickets are now on sale and you can buy them at pusowrestling.helixpay.ph.